phone. So I'll just come around here real quick. I'm on my way to the store as usual. Take my mom back to the store, but I have to get some some crackers. I'm making chili tonight. I know that it's hot, but it's quick, it's easy. I've been wanting some chili. I think all the kids eat it. Kalia does not eat it. She's so tired of chili. I've been making chili since they were born. So she doesn't like chili anymore. She hasn't been eating it for a while. So I'll just, whoever wants, I'll separate the meat. Whoever wants nachos, you can eat nachos. Hold on. I'm back, y'all. It literally took me 5 minutes, so now I'm just waiting on them. Got my items. I'm getting some Chobani flips too, because I haven't had that in a while. But crackers, tortilla chips, bread, toilet paper. What else did I get? Crackers, did I say that already? Spent $21.25. So that's it. But yeah. So I guess I'll check with y'all. I'm really hot. Check with y'all once. I don't know. Whenever. I'm gonna go home once they come out. Go home and cook. It's a little hot, but yeah, I'm excited to eat. I'm hungry. I just got I was gonna eat one of my yogurts, but I don't have no spoon. I usually keep plastic silverware in my car, and I guess I don't have any more. So but yeah, so I'll check with y'all in a little bit.
That was smart. Wow.
Happy 4th, y'all. I got all the chickmunks back there. Say hey, y'all. Say happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
Hey. Oops. So off. Nobody checking for you. Every time I put the camera on, you don't say nothing.
I got the best way to the house. No, I have the best. Look at the house.
Just as you was
Look at the house.
Okay,
What they doing? Scared me. What they doing? Got that one right there. Should have stopped. Ow! Can I go over there with them, Mom?
no.
You go over there with them. Chill with them. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Watch this. 3,